Hello dear watchers, I hope you all are doing great. If yes, that's fantastic. First of all, I would like to say a big thanks to all of you just because yesterday it was my birthday and on my birthday I got a gift from my subscribers because they have given me 1000 views in one of my videos. So that was a biggest gift for me. Thank you so much everybody. So I am back today with brand new video which is all about Ikigai. So welcome back to my channel Personalopedia, which is a platform to groom up your personality. So in our today's video, I will help you to find out your Ikigai in just 4 simple steps. Ikigai is a Japanese concept which is an intersection between what you love to do and what are you good at. Exactly. So to find your Ikigai, you just need to divide your notebook into 4 different parts and put headings as per the Ikigai diagram. First of all, list out the things which you love to do. It means follow your passion. For example, I love to travel, I love to communicate with people, I love to dance, I love to teach, as well as I love to act. So these are the things which I love to do. Let's move to the second point or the second step. Second step, out of these, find out in which you are good at. It means the vocation. Vocation is all about a strong feeling which you have inside you and which you can pursue as your career. Yes. So if I talk about me, I love to travel, dance, acting and teaching. These are the 4 things in which I am good at. Next and the third step is all about what can you be paid for. It means the thing which you can make or which you can convert into your profession. It means I can say I can be a teacher, I can also be a public speaker because I love to communicate, I can also be a motivational speaker. So these are the things for which I can be paid for or I can change it into my profession. Next and the fourth step is all about what the word needs. It means the mission, your mission. So if I talk about the examples which I have taken about me, so I can say the word requires a teacher, the word requires a public speaker, motivational speaker and a dancer as well. So this is all about the fourth step. So at last, after filling all these columns, you need to find out the common one among 4 of them. So congratulations, you found your Ikigai. So at last, I can say that I can be a teacher or I can be a motivational or public speaker. So congratulations to you as well. If you found your Ikigai, that's fantastic. If not yet, no problem. Keep on working on it. Work on your Ikigai and achieve your goal. All the best to you. I hope you all like my video. If yes, please give a thumbs up and press the subscribe button so that you can get the notification of my next video. Till that, enjoy. Bye-bye.